Steps for your ex-partner to return on his knees to apologize. Know the steps for your ex-partner to return on his knees to apologize. Here we show you all the details to achieve it. The image of our ex asking for forgiveness is something we've all had. As you've also dreamed of this moment, here we show you all the steps you have to do to get your ex back on his knees to apologize. Here's all you have to know. Don't forget to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You, by clicking the link in the description below this video. 1. Zero contact. We know it's difficult, especially now that there are 1,000 ways to communicate with your ex, but before sending a message, an inbox, or smoke signal, think that it will calm you down at the moment, but then you'll return to the vicious cycle. So, before communicating with your ex-partner, think twice. 2. Get the best out of yourself. The moment is perfect to know yourself, to recompose yourself little by little. While this will not be achieved overnight, and it will cost you a lot, this time will help you focus on yourself and learn to be alone and happy again. 3. Have fun. Go out with your friends, with the people you love. Allow yourself to do what you want and what makes you very happy. This will help you find yourself and forget that love relationship. After having completed these 3 steps, we assure you that your ex-partner will return when you feel very good and strong. The choice is yours. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get new videos and comment below. Like and share my videos. Don't forget to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You, by clicking the link in the description below this video.